How you feeling? Huh? How's your lip? Or how's your mouth feel? No, we can't buy one of those. You can't buy a unicorn, honey. They're not real. Sarah, they're not real. Unicorns aren't, huh? They're not real, honey. How about a horse with a horn? What about a bunny? A bunny? How about your puppy? Yeah. Uh-oh. Somebody's beeping. So what else you want to talk about? You want to go home? How's your cheeks feel? How's your tongue? It feels that big? I don't think it's that big, because your head isn't that big. Look at me. Let me see. Raise your tongue. And it feels that big? Don't touch it. No. Don't touch. You can't touch it. You'll get sick. What? What's the matter?
He's hot. I like his hair.
You like his hair?
This
What's that?
socks
Where do you put them?
and his head.
Not on your head. No.
And his feet.
Yes, on your feet. Are you silly? How are you feeling? I don't know what you said. Hungry and tired. Okay. So I think we should turn off the camera and go home. Okay. Are you ready to go then? Do we have to turn the camera off? Okay, say goodbye.